USA Secured Platinum Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? What if the card that finally fixes your credit is not flashy, not packed with rewards, and not talked about much on social media, but quietly changes your financial future in ways most people completely overlook? Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They chase sign-up bonuses, shiny perks, and luxury benefits, while ignoring the one tool that can unlock every better card they will ever apply for in the future. The surprising truth about the USA Secured Platinum Card is that it is not designed to impress you today. It is designed to rebuild your financial reputation and give you access to far better opportunities tomorrow. If your credit has taken a hit, or if you are just starting your credit journey, this card could be one of the most important financial decisions you make this year. But it is not for everyone, and if you use it the wrong way, it can slow you down instead of moving you forward. So today, we are breaking down exactly how the USA Secured Platinum Card works in 2025, who it is really for, who should avoid it, how to use it properly, and how to turn it into a powerful stepping stone toward a much stronger financial life. Let's start with what this card actually is. The USA Secured Platinum Card is a secured credit card, which means it requires a refundable security deposit. That deposit becomes your credit limit. If you deposit $500, your credit limit is $500. If you deposit $1,000, your credit limit is $1,000. This deposit protects the bank in case you do not pay, but it also gives you full control over how much credit you want to manage. Now here is where many people misunderstand secured cards. This is not a prepaid card. It is not a debit card. It is a real credit card that reports to the major credit bureaus. That means every payment you make, every balance you carry, and every month you stay in good standing is actively rebuilding your credit profile. Now let's talk about why USA specifically matters. USA is well known for serving military members, veterans, and their families. Their financial products are often designed with long-term stability and trust in mind. That reputation carries weight in the credit world. When your credit report shows a positive history with USA, lenders often view that as a strong sign of responsibility. Now let's talk about the main goal of this card. This card is not about earning rewards. It is not about travel perks. It is about rebuilding or building your credit, and that makes it extremely powerful. Let's talk about the features. The USA Secured Platinum Card usually comes with no annual fee. That alone is a big deal. Many secured cards charge annual fees, monthly maintenance fees, and hidden charges that slowly drain your money while you are trying to rebuild. With this card, your deposit is refundable, and you are not paying just to keep the account open. Now let's talk about interest. Like most secured cards, the interest rate is higher than what you would see on premium cards. But here's the truth most people do not realize. If you use this card properly, the interest rate almost does not matter at all. Why? Because you should never be carrying a balance. This card is not meant to be used as a loan. It is meant to be used as a credit-building tool. You use it for small purchases, then pay it off in full every month. When you do that, you pay zero interest and still get full credit reporting benefits. Now let's talk about how this actually rebuilds your credit. Your credit score is heavily influenced by payment history and credit utilization. Payment history shows whether you pay on time. Credit utilization shows how much of your available credit you are using. If you put a small recurring charge on this card, like a phone bill, a streaming subscription, or a gas fill-up, and pay it off in full every month, you are building perfect payment history. At the same time, if you only use a small portion of your limit, you are keeping your utilization low, which helps your score even more. Now imagine doing this for 6 months, then 12 months, then 18 months. Your credit profile starts to transform. Missed payments fade into the past. Positive history grows. Your score rises. Suddenly, you qualify for better cards, better loans, lower interest rates, more financial freedom. This is the quiet power of this card. Now let's talk about who this card is best for. This card is ideal for people with no credit, poor credit, or damaged credit. It is perfect for young adults starting out, people recovering from financial mistakes, or anyone who needs to reestablish trust with lenders. It is also great for military families who already trust USA and want a straightforward, no-nonsense credit rebuilding tool. Now let's talk about who should avoid this card. If you already have good or excellent credit, you probably do not need this card. You can qualify for unsecured cards with rewards, bonuses, and better interest rates. Using a secured card at that point is unnecessary. Now let's talk about how to use this card correctly. Step 1 is choosing your deposit amount. Pick an amount you can comfortably leave untouched for a while. Remember, this deposit is refundable when you close or upgrade your account, but you should not rely on it for daily expenses. Step 2 is using the card lightly. Do not max it out. Do not treat it like free money. Use it for small, predictable purchases. Step 3 is paying in full on time every single month. Set up automatic payments if possible. Never miss a payment. Step 4 is monitoring your credit. Watch how your score changes over time. This will motivate you and help you see your progress. Now let's talk about upgrading. Many people are eventually able to transition from a secured card to an unsecured card. Once your credit improves, you may qualify for better Visa cards or other unsecured cards. At that point, you can get your deposit back and move into a more advanced phase of your financial life. Now let's talk about real-life results. People who use secured cards responsibly often see noticeable score improvements within 6 to 12 months. Over a longer period, it can completely change their financial opportunities. Now let's talk about peace of mind. This card gives you something very valuable: a clean, structured way to rebuild your financial life without hidden fees, confusing terms, or pressure to overspend. Now let's answer the big question. Is the Visa Secured Platinum Card worth it in 2025? If you need to build or rebuild your credit, and you qualify for Visa membership, this card is absolutely worth it. It is simple, honest, affordable, and extremely effective when used properly. If you already have strong credit and are looking for rewards, perks, or luxury benefits, this is not the card for you. But if your goal is to fix your credit, this card can be one of the smartest moves you make this year. Your credit is not just a number. It is a key that unlocks better interest rates, better housing options, better insurance premiums, and better financial opportunities. And this card is one of the simplest tools available to help you turn that key. If this breakdown helped you, take a moment to like this video, share it with someone who is rebuilding their credit, and subscribe for more clear, honest financial reviews that help you move forward with confidence.